In this video, we delve into the importance of curb appeal and how a well-maintained concrete driveway can significantly impact the overall aesthetic of your home in Mid-Hill. Curb appeal plays a crucial role in creating a positive first impression and enhancing the overall value of your property. By focusing on your driveway, you can transform the look of your home and create a welcoming and attractive exterior. Your driveway serves as a focal point of your property, and upgrading it can make a lasting impact on visitors and bystanders alike. When it comes to choosing the right concrete design for your driveway in Mid-Hill, options like stamped concrete, exposed aggregate, and colored concrete offer unique aesthetics and functionality. Stamped concrete mimics the look of brick, stone, or other materials, adding a decorative touch to your driveway. Exposed aggregate provides a textured surface with added traction and visual interest. Colored concrete allows for customization, matching your home's exterior or creating a distinct look. By exploring these design options, you can select the best concrete style that complements your home and enhances its overall appearance. To ensure the longevity and durability of your concrete driveway in Mid-Hill, maintenance is key. Regular cleaning helps remove dirt, debris, and stains that can accumulate over time, preserving the appearance of your driveway. Sealing your concrete driveway provides protection against harsh weather conditions, preventing cracks and damage. Timely repairs, such as filling in cracks and addressing surface imperfections, can prevent minor issues from escalating. By following these essential maintenance tips, you can prolong the lifespan of your concrete driveway and keep it looking pristine for years to come. Elevate the visual appeal of your concrete driveway in Mid-Hill by incorporating decorative elements that add flair and personality. Borders can define the driveway's edges and create a polished look, enhancing its overall design. Lighting fixtures along the driveway not only illuminate the path, but also create a dramatic effect at night, increasing curb appeal. Landscaping features such as plants, flowers, or hardscaping elements can soften the driveway's appearance and blend it harmoniously with the surrounding environment. By exploring these creative options, you can transform your concrete driveway into a stunning focal point of your home. In conclusion, creating a stunning concrete driveway in Mid-Hill involves attention to detail and creativity to enhance curb appeal. By selecting the right design, maintaining it properly, and adding decorative elements, you can showcase a driveway that not only complements your home, but also leaves a lasting impression on visitors and passers-by. A well-maintained and aesthetically pleasing driveway adds value to your property and sets the tone for the overall appearance of your home. Emphasizing these key aspects will help you create a stunning concrete driveway that becomes a standout feature of your residence in Mid-Hill.